The Lincoln Navigator SUV provides first-class comfort for all, beginning with the front row perfect position seats. These seats are heated or ventilated to create comfort no matter the weather. They also have active motion massage, and to further customize your seating experience, they have lumbar support, thigh extensions, and more. And Black Label features standard front row power head restraints. You can adjust the seats via buttons on the outside of the seats or through the center touchscreen. On the center screen, select the vehicle icon, then the seats icon. Choose from the different options on the next screen, move second row seats, move front passenger seat, adjust and massage. To operate the massage functions and select the type of massage you prefer, select adjust and massage. You can adjust the massage seat settings to target specific areas and increase or decrease pressure through the digital controller. You can also select the passenger icon to adjust the same settings for that side. Select massage at the top of the screen. Featured here are 5 different massage options with 3 levels of intensity. You have circular, relax, recovery, rolling, and pulse. Your Lincoln Navigator may be equipped with power head restraints. To adjust your head restraint, select headrest at the top of the screen and use the digital controller to move the headrest 4 different ways. For extra legroom, the second row right side passenger can change the front row passenger seating position by using the second row touchscreen controls. Push the button to move the front passenger seat forward or backward and adjust the recline angle. Thank you for watching.